Like, what the hell?
Fuck's sake. Layla. Hurry up, I need a shit. Layla. I need a poo. I need a poo. Come on. Right, shit myself.
How to add sweetness to your life? When you want a snack or prepare for the holiday parties, don't forget this cookie for you and your family. They are so delicious. Also, these cookies are keto friendly and vegan. Each cookie only has a few grams of sugar. Perfect for adding a little bit of sweetness to your life. How to add
What is it, boy? Oh my God!